Now I want to show how to use a stroke in Photoshop. So let's start. You can take first we take an image, then we click layer palette, double click, then it create a layer 0, then we click on FX button, add a layer style, click on it, then click on stroke. Here is a stroke option. Okay, click on it. Then here is a stroke properties. You can change it. First we change size. You can increase it or decrease it, anything. You can use increase it or decrease. You can position outside, inside, or center, and you can use it inside. Here it is a effect. Then you can change blind mode, dark and normal. You can any kind of color or effect. We can use it normal. Then change opacity. You can change opacity. Here it is a here is effect, so we can use it 100%. Then we fill type, change fill type. You can change it 3 type of it: color, gradient, and pattern. You can use it color or gradient color. You can change it gradient, scale, angle, or color. You can use pattern, any kind of pattern. Use photo frame, just click on it and change the pattern, color, or any kind of it. Okay, you can change it. Then we change it scale or style. Okay, then okay, here is a stroke effect area. You can see it. Stroke effect is added, and same thing you can change. If you want to change the stroke, you can just double click on it and you can change the value anytime. Same thing, another way you can use stroke. Just click on layer style and click on stroke, and you can change same thing and same result. Then okay, thanks for watching.